going on YouTube? This your boy Humble Servant back again with another YouTube video, and today we're going to be reacting to employees get angry at customer for honking horn at drive-thru. I know it's about to be crazy. I know waiting in long lines can be crazy. Waiting in a fast food restaurant. You serve fast food. Why is it taking you more than an hour? That's an exaggeration, but why is it taking more than an hour to make fast food if it's fast, or even an ice cream cone, or something like that, something that's supposed to take 2 minutes, But hey, let's get into this video. I just, these people on here be acting crazy. They sometimes go overboard, but we're going to get into this reaction and see what this is all about. Let's get to it right now.
For the last 10 minutes. And I'm ready to go. So what I do is I just go on inside.
I wonder where this is at.
Were you the one waiting in line, feeding, making a big scene over there in drive-thru?
Oh, this is Hardee's. I've never even really been there before. I think I ate there maybe once. And it's been a minute.
Yeah, she's fine. You came in here to do what you still get your order.
You're causing all that racket. It's causing all these disturbances. We're going to have to refuse your service. And we're going to have to ask you to leave, get off the premises. If you're not leaving, I'm going to be forced to call the police.
Alright. Who's your closure office? I need a number, because I was honking my horn. I sat there for 10 minutes.
Yeah, now my general manager, my
boss. Thing would have been saying something to you. I never spoke to either of you. This is my first time here. Or even having contact with one of you all. So a thing would have been being rude.
Ma'am, you were laying on the
like
floor.
that. Yeah, you are very rude, girl. You just play. Or, sir, I'm just going to ask you for a corporate number.
That's it. Ask you to leave the premises.
Don't keep talking about
there. Anybody talking about worried about something?
Well, come on right here and say it.
I'm not worried
about Come on right here and say it.
Yeah, because I'm not worried about you.
Come on right here and say it. Come on right here and say it.
I'm 6 months pregnant, so what's up?
Come on right here and say it with your 6 months pregnant. Come right here and say it, Jackson. Come right here and say it.
You came in a restaurant.
Come around here and
I
say
said I'm
it.
6 months pregnant.
Come over here and you say it. Come over here and something. Come over here and you say it.
So you do what you need to do. Like
Come
I said,
over here and you
do what you need to do. If you really was froggy, you would have jumped, because I'm right here.
No, I'm gonna wait for you to come jump.
I'm right here. Yeah, but you gonna get knocked. You
I'm
fuck off your
gonna
feet. Like I said, 6 months pregnant. You're going to get knocked off your shit. Try me. I'm right here. You have a problem with me? Try me. You have a problem? Try me.
Look, I can't know what to say. Try.
Came to order, but you ain't ordered nothing.
Okay, this will be you. I will take this. I will take this.
I don't even work back there. I work on the register. So you come in here arguing.
You're not gonna work behind me when I
I don't
finish
give a
with
fuck
you.
what you work for. I don't care. Like I said, baby, I got 2 jobs. Go to school, 2 kids.
Come
Own car,
around
own
here.
house. Car paid for,
Come
bitch,
around
get your
here.
shit right. Yeah, stuff this. I done came around here. I done showed you what I was
You ain't do nothing
You
though.
ain't do nothing. I said I was
You
thinking
mouth.
right what I gotta do.
You mouth.
What I gotta do.
You mouth.
You make some shake.
You mouth.
Like I thought.
You mouth.
She said you make something shake. I cannot.
Your
I get
mouth.
off at 3 o'clock.
Your
I get
mouth.
off at 3 o'clock.
I'm
trying
here.
to call her right
I'm
there.
here now.
I get off at 3
I'm
o'clock.
here
and I
now.
try to call her right
I'm
there.
here
lock the whole thing. I'm not worried about you. You can get that to the corporate.
Oh, I will.
Get that to the manager.
All
Or
right.
whatever. I can quit. I still got 2 jobs.
Okay.
Child still to the curb.
All right.
Like I
You
said,
gonna need it.
I get off at 3 o'clock and I
Okay.
drive in a park.
All right.
Catch me laughing, y'all.
All right.
That's all I got to say.
Anything else?
Now, you want, like I said, I get
Anything
off at
else you
3
want to say
o'clock.
for the camera?
Yeah,
Because you ain't checking me.
Yeah. You're not checking me. You're not checking me.
You're not checking
Just
me.
had to let you know.
You're not
Just had to let
checking
you
me.
know.
You're not
Yeah, and I
checking
just had to let you
You're
know.
not checking me.
And I just had to let you know.
You know.
And I don't care about the
You
job.
know
I
that
didn't
you're not
run.
checking
You act like
me.
you ready to run up on the
No, I'm not going to run. I'm going to let your bucket ass run up on me. And I'm going to show you something up in here.
You're not going to show me.
Yeah, I am. Come around here. Come around here.
You're not going to show me.
Come around here.
Show me.
Come around.
What are you going to show me?
And do something.
What are you going to show me? You have the problem with me. So what are you going to
You
do?
just come over here.
You have the
Come
problem
over
with me,
here.
ma'am. So what are you going
Come
to do?
over here with your bad self.
You have a problem with
Come
me.
over
So
here
what
with
are
your
you
bad
gonna do?
self.
Bad.
And check
Bad
it.
is a motherfucker.
Come over here,
Bad is a
bad. You ain't that
motherfucker.
bad.
You ain't that
You ain't
bad.
that bad.
Language, folks.
You ain't that bad.
Ignorant, what's the matter?
You ain't that bad.
Order, baby.
You're not that bad.
Yeah, you're not that bad.
You're not that bad.
It's
You're
not
not
that
that
bad.
bad.
You're
You're
not
not
that
that
bad. I
bad.
done walked around too.
You're not that bad.
I'm not worried about
You ain't walked up.
I'm going to quit. My job, I'm about to get
You
fired.
gonna quit.
I'm going to go ahead.
You gonna do something.
But like I said, my car is
Yeah,
right there.
right.
I drive in the Impala.
Yeah.
Yeah, and whenever I get off, you can catch me laughing. Like I said.
My boss just informed me that if you don't leave the premises with a person.
You haven't called them yet?
They pressing charges.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't worry about no police.
Yes, we have.
Okay, well that's all you need to worry about.
Yeah, my boss told me that we're
Okay, you go ahead. Because you don't even know what you're talking about.
I do know what I'm
Alright, well obviously not, because you would have known that.
You know what?
Like I said, 6 months pregnant, I want a bitch to do something to me. Like I said,
I have the whole recording here.
I don't care about nothing about that. You're not ready to sit right
So
here.
it don't matter who called
I'm
who.
a whole human.
This is the
You're
tape.
not ready to sit right here and do all that.
This is you all tape. This is you all Hardy.
Like I said,
This is you all Hardy.
right there.
This is you all Hardy.
Yeah, and you.
This is you all Hardy.
You are acting like a
This is
animal.
you all Hardy.
I understand. This is you all Hardy.
You all Hardy.
You here being
You, no, I came here and stirred at y'all recording. Well, look, this don't lie. This don't lie. This don't lie. This don't lie. 8 minutes of you showing off. 8 minutes of you showing off. 8 minutes. I never said on this tape. I'm still with your ass. I never said it on this tape. I never said it on this tape.
I'm still waiting.
I never said it on this tape. I have the whole recording. I asked for your corporate number, and I still need a corporate number.
I'm still
I still need a corporate number.
I'm still
I still need a corporate number.
Yes, please get this ignorant lady out here search. You don't
Oh,
have
well, this is the whole recording,
I don't
so
care about
nobody
that.
never
I'm
say
that
anything
I'm
who you are.
with everything
Okay.
that deserves. God is going to take care of you, ma'am. I promise.
And this recording is going to take care of this party. Because nothing of this was my fault. So this recording will take care of this. How you doing, officer?
What's going on?
I sat in drive-through for 10 minutes. I honked my horn. I never spoke to anybody, right?
Okay.
Okay, let me show you what happened when I came here.
Tell me what happened.
Well, this don't lie.
Okay.
So,
I'm assuming you're telling me.
Well, first of all, I want to know what the police did, though. But that was crazy, first of all. But that was employees get angry at customer for honking horn at drive-thru. I mean, I don't know where, if she left her car in the drive-thru or if she went around and parked or what she did. But
get a win before the game even starts. Because now you can get your choice of sandwich and small fry for just $2. Beats overpriced stadium food, the $2 meal deal. Checkers and Rallies, fast foodies know the deal.
Yep, so that was that video. And so now, if y'all like that video, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you guys do not miss a video. I just uploaded a video of my dog being reckless, barking at me. When my stepmother was here, he just took my mother back to work. But anyway, y'all check that video out too. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you guys do not miss a video. Comment what y'all want to see next, and we gonna get to it. This your boy, humble servant, Humble Servant Vlogs TV. Y'all servanthood family. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. That's it. Subscribe. What you doing? You know, that's it. You know, just subscribe. And this is Humble Servant Vlogs TV. Gone. Love y'all. Peace.